If you're over 60 and soaking your chia seeds in water, you're making a massive mistake. You think it's healthy? It's actually the least effective way to absorb nutrients. Here is the bioavailability secret your doctor never told you. After 60, your stomach acid drops by 40%. You aren't just eating seeds, you're fighting to digest them. Rule number 1, never eat them dry. Dry seeds are tiny stones. They pass right through you, 0% absorption. You must soak them for at least 30 minutes to unlock the gel layer. Water. Water is the most common choice. It's clean, calorie-free, and great for hydration. If you have a very sensitive stomach or type 2 diabetes, water-soaked chia is a safe bet for fiber. But here's the problem. Water gives your aging gut no extra help. It doesn't assist with mineral absorption. Pro tip: if you must use water, add a squeeze of lemon. The vitamin C acts as a catalyst, helping your body grab the iron and zinc inside the seeds. Milk, the bone shield. Now let's talk about bone density. After 60, osteoporosis is the silent thief. Chia seeds have more calcium per gram than dairy. When you soak them in milk, dairy, or fortified plant milk, you're creating a calcium multiplier. The vitamin D in fortified milk helps transport that calcium straight to your bones. If your goal is skeletal strength, milk wins this round. Yogurt, the absorption king. But for 90% of seniors, plain yogurt is the undisputed champion. Why? Because it solves the absorption crisis. Yogurt is a probiotic, live good bacteria. Chia is a prebiotic, the food for those bacteria. When they hit your gut together, they rebuild your digestive system's ability to absorb nutrients. You aren't just eating seeds, you're upgrading your gut so you can absorb everything else you eat that day. Use plain only. Vanilla or fruit yogurts are hidden sugar bombs that kill your gut health. The 4 silent mistakes. Before we crown the winner, there are 4 mistakes I see seniors making every day that completely destroy the benefits of these seeds. Mistake 1, the dry sprinkle. Adding dry seeds to porridge or salads is a mistake. Without prehydration, they can actually steal moisture from your throat and gut, leading to bloating or even choking hazards for those with swallowing difficulties. Mistake 2, the metal spoon. Myth. Some experts suggest that using metal spoons with soaked seeds can cause minor oxidation of the delicate omega-3 fats. To be safe, use wood, ceramic, or plastic to stir your mix. Mistake 3, buying milled instead of whole. In the UK/USA, shops sell pre-milled chia. Don't buy it. Once the seed is cracked, the oils go rancid very quickly on the shelf. Always buy whole seeds and soak them yourself. Mistake 4, the sugar trap. Using low-fat flavored yogurt or sweetened almond milk. Sugar feeds the harmful bacteria in your gut, which cancels out every single probiotic benefit of the seeds. Water versus milk versus yogurt. Water, the beginner. Water is passive. It doesn't assist with mineral transport. It's the lowest powered choice. Milk, the bone shield. This is a calcium multiplier, essential for the 1 in 2 UK women facing osteoporosis. The vitamin D in fortified milk is the delivery truck for the calcium. Yogurt, the absorption king. This is the winner. The live bacteria in the yogurt pre-digest the seeds for you, breaking down the phytic acid that usually blocks mineral absorption. Before the recipe, here are 2 secrets to make your chia seeds even more powerful. The fat factor. Omega-3s in chia seeds are fat-soluble. If you use water, eat a few walnuts or a slice of avocado with it. Healthy fats help the omega-3s reach your brain and heart. The grind trick. If you have severe digestive issues, try lightly grinding the seeds before soaking. This breaks the outer shell manually, making it even easier for your low-acid stomach to access the nutrients. The gut repair bowl. Take 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Stir in 2 tablespoons of pre-soaked chia seeds, soaked in a little water first. Add half a cup of blueberries. The antioxidants work perfectly with the probiotics. Optional, a small drizzle of raw honey for its antimicrobial properties. Start with yogurt tomorrow. Add blueberries for antioxidants. Give it 21 days and feel the difference in your energy and digestion. If this science-backed tip helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. Let's make the 60s your strongest decade yet. See you in the next one.